Imagine this. It's early 2026, and you're checking your crypto wallet from a cafe in Miami, or maybe a cabin in the mountains, watching your portfolio soar to heights you never thought possible. That dream of financial freedom, paying off debt, quitting the grind, living life on your terms, it's closer than you think. Right now, there are 7 tiny altcoins, completely off the radar of most investors, that could explode 50x before Q1 2026. I'm not here to hype you up with empty promises. I'm here to share insider secrets that could change your life. Over the next half hour, I'm going to walk you through these 7 hidden gems, explain why they're set to skyrocket, and show you how to get in early before Wall Street catches on. This could be the moment you look back on and say, that's when I took control of my future. So grab a pen, stay with me, and let's dive into the crypto gold rush. I've been where you are, endlessly scrolling X, chasing the next big thing, wondering if you missed the boat on Bitcoin or Ethereum. That sinking feeling of being too late, it's real, and it hurts. But here's the truth. The crypto market is like a forest that keeps growing new trees, even after the big ones have been chopped down. Right now, we're standing at the edge of a new bull run, and these 7 altcoins are the seeds ready to sprout. They're not the coins your buddy's talking about at the bar, and that's exactly why they're so powerful. As Warren Buffett once said, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Right now, the crowd's distracted, but the smart money is quietly moving into these tiny projects. Let's talk about why 2025-2026 is the perfect storm for these coins to explode. The crypto market moves in waves, like the ocean. We've all felt the crash of 2022-2023 when it seemed like everything was falling apart. But 2025, it's like the tide's turning and the waves are building. AI, gaming, and decentralized finance are driving the next boom. And Q1 2026 is when analysts, folks who've called every bull run since 2017, say we'll see a massive surge. Why? Institutional money is pouring in. New regulations are opening doors, and tech is evolving faster than ever. These 7 altcoins are built on that tech. AI platforms, gaming ecosystems, DeFi protocols, that's about to reshape the world. Think of it like investing in the internet in 1995, when most people thought it was just a fad. These coins are small now, with market caps under $60 million, but that's where the biggest gains hide. Let's get to the first one. First up, let's talk about coin number 1, the AI Trailblazer. This altcoin is building a decentralized AI network that lets developers create apps without relying on big tech. Imagine a future where your data isn't owned by some corporate giant, but by you, powered by this coin's blockchain. Their market cap is just $40 million, but they've got a secret weapon, a partnership with a top AI research lab announced quietly last month. Their testnet is already handling thousands of transactions per second, faster than most blockchains out there. Picture this, a similar AI coin jumped 15x when it hit Coinbase last year. This one's not on the big exchanges yet, but X is buzzing about a listing soon. If you would put $1,000 into Solana at $1, you'd be sitting on $100,000 today. This coin has that same early stage energy. Write it down, because this is your chance to get ahead. Next, we have coin number 2, the gamer's jackpot. Blockchain gaming is taking off. Think of it as Fortnite, but where players earn real money. This coin powers a gaming platform with 12,000 active users already, and their new demo has Reddit on fire. Their market cap, a tiny $25 million. Their tech lets gamers trade virtual assets instantly, no middleman, no fees. Imagine being a teenager, earning tokens in a game that could pay for your car. That's the world this coin is building. Last year, a gaming coin like this went from $0.08 to $4 in months. This one's at 0.04 now. Do you see the opportunity? This isn't just a coin, it's your ticket to a new kind of wealth. Moving on to coin number 3, the DeFi Dynamo. Decentralized finance is rewriting the rules of money. No banks, no gatekeepers. This coin's protocol offers yields 8 times higher than your average savings account, with a staking system that's already locked up $15 million. Their team? Former Wall Street coders who ditched the suits to build something real. Their market cap is $45 million, but they're launching a cross-chain bridge next quarter that could make them a DeFi giant. Think of it like buying Amazon when it was just selling books. This coin's not flashy, but it's a workhorse, and workhorses win races. If you're dreaming of a portfolio that sets you free, this one's a must. Now let's look at coin number 4, the Privacy Shield. In a world where every move you make is tracked, this coin's blockchain is like a digital fortress, hiding your transactions with cutting-edge zero-knowledge tech. Their market cap is only $20 million, but there's chatter on X about a potential deal with a major tech firm. Privacy coins have a history of spiking when regulations hit, and with new laws looming in 2025, this one's ready to pop. Imagine turning $500 into $25,000 in a year. That's the kind of potential we're talking about here. Don't sleep on this one. Coin 5 is the supply chain star. This altcoin is solving real-world problems, tracking goods from factory to shelf on a blockchain that's faster and cheaper than Ethereum. Their pilot with a major retailer, think Target or Costco, just went live, and their market cap is still under $50 million. Supply chain coins are boring until they're not. Remember VeChain? It 25x'd in 2021. This coin's tech is stronger and their team is hungrier. It's like finding a diamond in the rough. Most people miss it, but those who don't get rich. Next up, coin number 6, the metaverse mogul. The metaverse is the next internet, and this coin powers a virtual world where users can buy land, build shops, and earn tokens, all in VR. Their beta dropped last month with 40,000 users signing up in days. Market cap? Just $30 million. Compare that to Decentraland, which hit a $2 billion valuation in 2022. This coin's platform is slicker, targeting gamers and creators, not just speculators. It's like investing in Google before everyone had email. This one's going places. Finally, coin number 7, the green crypto wave. Crypto gets a bad rap for energy use, but this coin's blockchain is 100% carbon neutral, using a proof-of-stake system that rewards eco-friendly nodes. Their market cap is $35 million, but they just inked a deal with a renewable energy company that's got X buzzing. Green tech is the future, especially in 2025, and this coin is riding that wave. Think of it like buying Tesla when it was just a scrappy startup. This is your chance to invest in something that's good for your wallet and the planet. Now that you know the coins, let's zoom out and see the bigger picture. Why is 2025-2026 such a big deal? Picture the crypto market like a rocket launch. We're in the countdown phase and the engines are warming up. Global adoption is skyrocketing. Over 400 million people own crypto now, and that's doubling every 2 years. Big banks like JP Morgan are building blockchain teams, and governments are drafting crypto-friendly laws. But here's the kicker. While everyone's watching Bitcoin, the real money is in altcoins like these. They're small, nimble, and built on tech that solves real problems. AI, gaming, supply chains. Think of it like the dot-com boom. Most startups failed, but the ones that didn't, like Amazon, made millionaires. The difference? Crypto moves 10x faster. By Q1 2026, these coins could be household names, but only if you get in now. I'm not saying it's easy money, nothing worth having is, but this is your shot at catching the next wave before it crests.
So how do you find coins like these before they explode? It's like panning for gold. You need to know where to look. First, check the team. Are they ex-Wall Street, MIT grads, or crypto OGs? A strong team is your first clue. Second, look at the tech. Does it solve a real problem, like privacy or supply chain chaos? Third, follow the buzz on X and Reddit. But don't just chase hype. Dig into white papers and test nets. For example, our AI Trailblazer coin has a testnet processing 5,000 transactions per second. Most coins can't touch that. Fourth, watch for partnerships. A small coin with a big name partner, like our supply chain star with that retailer, is a rocket waiting to launch. Finally, check the market cap. Anything under $100 million has room to grow 50x, while big coins like Ethereum are less likely to 10x. It's not about luck, it's about doing your homework. You're not just throwing darts, you're building a strategy to win. Let's be real, crypto isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a roller coaster, and you need a seatbelt. First rule, never invest more than you can afford to lose. If $1,000 is your rent money, keep it in the bank. Second, diversify. Don't put all your cash into one coin. Split it across these 7 to spread the risk. Third, watch for red flags. If a coin's hyped on X but has no working product, run. Our coins have real tech and real teams, but always do your own research. Fourth, use stop-loss orders on exchanges to limit losses if a coin dips. And fifth, stay calm. Markets crash, but they also recover. In 2022, Bitcoin dropped 70% and people panicked. Then it doubled in 2023. These altcoins are volatile, but that's where the 50x gains come from. Think of it like planting a garden. Some seeds won't grow, but the ones that do will feed you for years. Protect your downside, and the upside takes care of itself. If you're new to crypto, don't sweat it. You don't need to be a tech wizard to start. Step 1, set up a wallet like MetaMask. It's like a digital bank account, free and easy. Step 2, buy some Ethereum on an exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. Think of it as your gas to fuel these altcoin investments. Step 3, use a decentralized exchange like Uniswap to buy these coins. They're not on big platforms yet, which is why they're cheap. Start small. $100 per coin is enough to test the waters. Step 4, stake or hold your coins in your wallet, not on the exchange, to keep them safe. And step 5, stay informed. Follow X, join Discord groups, and subscribe to this channel for updates. Imagine this like learning to drive. It feels overwhelming at first, but once you're cruising, it's second nature. You're not just investing, you're building a future. Here's the final piece of the puzzle, your mindset. The difference between the guy who misses out and the one who makes millions isn't luck, it's how they think. Crypto millionaires don't chase every shiny coin. They study, they wait, they act. They're not afraid to start small because they know a $500 investment in the right coin can turn into $25,000. They don't panic when markets dip. They buy more. As Peter Lynch, the legendary investor, once said, the real key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them. The same goes for crypto. These 7 coins are your shot at something bigger, but only if you believe in yourself. You're not just a viewer. You're someone with dreams, with grit, with the power to change your life. So do your research, start small, and take action today. Subscribe, hit that bell, and join our community on X for updates on these coins and more. This is your moment. Let's make it count. See you in the next video.